Welcome to our fourth 10th sum. dy by dx is equal to tan squared of x plus y. Now we are coming for the substitution method. We can't split x and y. Let z equal to, which we have seen in the example, x plus y. So I can have this as first equation. D differentiate with respect to x. So dz by dx equal to 1 plus dy by dx. So from here, what is our dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to dz by dx minus 1. Now substitute in the first equation. So first equation becomes dy by dx is dz by dx minus 1 is equal to tan squared z. Bring 1 to this side. So dz by dx is equal to 1 plus tan squared z. What is 1 plus tan squared z? Which is equal to secant squared z. dz divided by dx equal to this. Now bring it to the separable form. So what is the separable form here? So bring z to one side and x to one side. dz divided by secant squared z is equal to dx. Now integrate on both sides. 1 by secant squared z is nothing but our cos squared z into dz equal to integral dx. Now we don't have the formula for this, so we have to convert it into the formula. So cos squared x is equal to 1 plus cos 2z divided by 2 into dz is equal to integral dx. Now split separately. So 1 by 2 common, you can take it outside. So dz plus 1 by 2 into integral cos 2z into dz is equal to integral dx. So now our answer is 1 by 2 into z plus 1 by 2 into integral of cos 2x is nothing but sin 2z divided by 2 is equal to x plus c. Now substitute what is our z. 1 by 2 into my z is x plus y plus 1 by 4 into sin 2 into x plus y is equal to x plus c. So half into sin cos 2z is nothing but sin 2z divided by, once again, integral of cos 2z is sin 2z divided by 2 into 2z differentiation is 1 2. So we can cancel this 2. So 1 by 2 into sin 2 of x plus y equal to x plus c. This is our answer. But we have to bring it our book answer. The book answer have sin, what is sin 2 theta formula? Sin 2 theta formula is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. They have bring it to that formula. So it is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus y plus 1 by 2 into sin of x plus y. 2 into sin of x plus y into cos of x plus y is equal to x plus c. Am I right? So it is equal to half into 2 into sin of x plus y into cos of x plus y is equal to x plus c. If we had any, we had done any mistake here? No. Sin cos 2z oda formula sin 2z divided by 2 into 2z oda differentiation cos 2z divided by 2. That is our answer, I think. So half வெளியே எடுத்துட்டோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் cos 2z ஓட integration, cos of a integration of cos ax dx is nothing but sin ax divided by a. Am I right? Divided by a integration. அப்போ by 2 மிஸ்ஸுக்கு வந்துரும். ஸோ இந்த 2 வராது நம்மளுக்கு, சாரிம்மா, இந்த 2 வராது. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 ரெண்டு 1 by 2 இருக்கும். அதுக்கு அடுத்த ஸ்டெப்பில் நம்மளுக்கு வர்றப்போ தான் நம்மளுக்கு என்ன ஆகும்? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 வரும். sin 2 of xyல ஒரு 2 வரும். ஸோ 1 by 2. Now we can cancel 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into x plus y plus 1 by 2 into sin of x plus y into cos of x plus y. ஸோ இந்த ஸ்டெப்பை திருப்பி ரிப்பீட் பண்ணுறேன். என்ன தப்பு பண்ணியிருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா, நம்ம ஒரு நான் இங்கே டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேஷனில் ஒரு இன்ட்டு 2 போட்டேன். பட் இட் இஸ் நாட் டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேஷன், இன்டெகிரேஷன். ஸோ 1 by 2 அப்படியே வச்சுக்கிறோம். இன்டெகிரல் ஆஃப் காஸ் ஏஎக்ஸோட ஃபார்முலா காஸ் ஏஎக்ஸ் பை ஏ வரும். அப்போ 1 by 2 வந்துடும். which is equal to x plus c. அடுத்த ஸ்டெப்பில் வரப்போ 1/2 into 1/2 into sin 2 zக்கு பதிலாக x plus y சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணுறோம். இப்போ sin 2 தீட்டாவோட ஃபார்முலா 2 sin theta cos theta ஒரு 2 வருமா, இப்போ கேன்சல் பண்ணோன்னா ஒரு 2 கேன்சல் ஆயிரும். ஸோ half x plus y plus half sin of x plus y into cos of x plus y is equal to x plus c. That is our 10th problem. Thank you.